Attention, WhatsApp users! A powerful new feature has been added. You can now set personal reminders for any message in your chats. To use it, just long press the message you want to be reminded about. Then, tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and select the new Remind Me option. You will then be able to pick a time for the reminder, such as 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or even set a custom date and time that works best for you. After selecting the date and time, simply tap on Set Reminder button to confirm. A small bell icon will appear at the end of the message. This means the reminder has been set. When the reminder time arrives, you will get a notification just like any regular WhatsApp message alert. This works for any message you send or receive in both private and group chats. It's helpful for messages that contain important details like meeting times, to-do list items, appointments, events, or links you want to check later. The best part? This works not only on text, but also on photos, videos, GIF, and other media files. And if you accidentally set a reminder on the wrong message, don't worry. You also have the option to remove it.